Hey everyone, my name is Jim and I'm a Web3 developer. So over the past year, I've been trying to create this bot to make some passive income, but guess what? None of my attempts worked out, and the smart contracts I made just ended up burning through my money instead of bringing any cash. So I turned to artificial intelligence for help and things changed radically. Thanks to ChatGPT technology, now I'm making our crypto hustle way easier, all with the goal of making that sweet passive income. But hold up, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me drop a quick reminder. The crypto world is crawling with scammers, so you gotta be extra careful with your funds. Don't go sending money to unfamiliar wallets or interacting with unknown exchanges. All right. So now, without further ado, let's embark on this journey. So the basis of the bot uses concepts of arbitrage, mempools, and sandwich transactions. Notably, it leverages popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and other DEXs. Now, put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwich transactions. It analyzes the mempool, essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a gas price higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price slip in the transactions. Sounds complicated? Nah, it's actually pretty simple. I've been testing this bot for a few weeks now, and here's the best part. You don't need to know how to code at all. ChatGPT technology got it covered, making it super easy to dive in and start making moves. Alright, so first things first, make sure you've got the MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing is that it is installed in your browser. It may be Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. All steps are exactly the same but with different wallet interface. So you need to open bot source code from the video description and copy it to the clipboard. Next, you should visit the Remix of Ethereum websites, and all links are available in the description. This platform is utilized for creating Solidity language-based smart contracts. So we'll create a new file and name it according to your preference. For example, let's call it bot. Paste the open source bot code from the video description and carefully read pasted code alert and then press OK. And feel free to verify code yourself. Initial steps include scrolling up to read the quick user guide. And now it's important to know that for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum and is connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Then move the Solidity compiler tab to compile the bot, enable optimization to reduce gas usage, and then click on compile bot.sol, proceed to the deploy and run transactions section, and within the environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask or your wallet, confirm the wallet connection upon successful link and proceed to click on deploy. Here, I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Alright, so now we wait the deployment of our bot, check the terminal for deployed message and click on it, and then copy the transaction hash. Next, we'll verify on other scan to confirm that your bot have been successfully deployed. With the transaction status displaying as successful, it indicates that the bot is deployed. Now click on Created Bot Contract within this window and you can access comprehensive information about your bot, including the trading balance. Alright, so now I'm gonna return to Remix and now you can explore the main menu of the bot. Allow me to provide a brief overview of the functions of each button. So set trade balance Ethereum sets the bot trade deposit in Ethereum coins. Set trade balance percent sets the bot trade deposit as a percentage of the deposit on your wallet. StartNative starts the bot. stops the work of the bot. Withdraw profit from your bot contracts to your wallet key. That's your personal API key for working with a bot. And please don't give it to anyone, okay? So now I'm gonna select the key button and copy the provided key. Then I'm gonna scroll upwards, paste it into the value tab, and then I'm just gonna specify the deposit size for the bot. For example, I'll set it to 1 Ethereum, and finally I will click Start Native. So observing the situation, the bot thoroughly analyzes our entire wallet. So ensure that you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet and confirm. Then you're gonna want to either scan and patiently wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Now it's evident that the bot has received precisely 1 Ethereum for trading, while the remaining amount is retained in my wallet. Now let's patiently await the outcomes after 12 and 24 hours to assess the generated profit. Alright, so after 12 hours, let's review the results, refreshing the page. I've earned 0.48 Ethereum passively, and that's equivalent to around $1,800 at the current exchange rate. That's quite an impressive outcome, I would say. Now we wait another 12 hours, and upon reaching the 24 hours mark, let's assess the bot performance. Refresh the page and you'll notice that I've earned nearly 1.2 Ethereum in this period. So that's approximately $4,700 in the current exchange rate. This result is really exciting, especially considering the earnings are entirely passive. So returning to Remix, let's proceed to withdraw the funds back to the wallet. Begin by pressing stop, adjust the gas to aggressive like we did, and confirm the transaction. Now let's wait until it's displayed in the terminal and subsequently press the withdraw button. Change the gas to aggressive again and confirm the transaction. Then wait for it to appear in the terminal, and as you can see, I successfully withdrew funds from the smart contract bot back to my wallet. Alright, so now you can verify on either scan and check your bot contract. Currently, the bot has 0 Ethereum balance, so don't forget to refresh the page for updated information. For now, my bot is totally free to show you how perfect it works and how much money you can make. But after 1 month, I'm clothing free version of bot. API key will not be actual, so your bot will not be able to deploy the contract. And next, it will cost $2,500 per week. Until it happened, everyone is welcome to try it and to make really good money. Alright, so if you have some errors after a contract deploy, now we'll show you how to fix it. So the most popular problem is when Remix can calculate the transaction fee. It can happen because you wait more than 10 minutes after the deploy and Remix just loses connection with the bot code. So to fix this, we need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. We should do everything faster in order to reconnect to the contract. First one, update the page, click on the bot file, in my case bot.sol, and go to the Solidity compiler tab. Enable optimization and click compile. Then go to the deploy and run transaction tab. Now go to the address of your smart contract in the environment tab and select Injected Provider MetaMask and paste the address of your contract into the address tab. Click on it and you have access to the bot control menu again. Then proceed according to the instructions. This method will definitely fix most of your issues. If it didn't work for you and you have gas fee related errors, try to do everything faster or contact me via Telegram, search link into description and I will help you. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you want more cool information about decentralized finance and Web3, hit that subscribe button and catch you later. And thanks for tuning in.